Need a quick way to share your presentation with your audience? I've got you covered. There is a QR extension that we have pushed out as a department. So how do you get to extensions? If you are logged into Chrome using your GSCS account, you will have this QR generator. Remember, a QR generator just makes a fun QR code for your audience to scan with a phone, scan with a computer, or even when they're Zooming or in a Google Meet, they can use their webcam to scan the QR code. All right, so to access your extensions, click on the puzzle piece. Again, I am in Chrome and signed in under my GSCS account. As you can see, I have the QR code generator pinned to my taskbar, but if you do not see it, click on the puzzle. Scroll down. You should see it once you scroll down the QR code extension. To pin it to your taskbar, if it's something that you're going to use a lot, I do recommend pinning it for easy access. You can just click the pin, make sure it is blue. Once it is blue, you should see it in your navigation bar. All right, so now that I have it, I'm going to, let's say I want to share this presentation with my audience. I'm going to click the QR code, and it's automatically going to create a QR code for my audience to simply scan and to go have access to this presentation. Also, let's say you want to edit the QR code, you want to download it, put it on a piece of paper and print it out to have on the tables. You can do that as well. I do recommend that you sign in using Google because it will not let you download unless you sign in. You can change the colors. Once you change the color, you can change the title. You will be able to download it and print it out to have around the room for your audience to have access. To simply download, you're just going to click the arrow. You can also copy the image if you just want to copy and paste it into your presentation. You can do that as well. You also have lots of features to make it different colors, different fonts. It's just a fun way to give your audience easy access to your presentation. All right, I hope this helps. Please reach out with any questions.